Sausage makes Rotel so much better. What's on the part? If you don't end up laying next to the toilet, baby, you ain't even turn up for real. I know that ain't right, but that's just who I am. Take it or leave it. I don't want to say this because it's just all bad. But I gotta go to the health department. We just gonna leave that alone. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to go out to eat. When I say it took me forever to find this dress I'm looking for, it took me forever. But right now, I'm just putting in some stud earrings. I was gonna put on my ponytail, but I ain't gonna lie. Don't feel like it. I was finna cancel because I got frustrated. You ever just been searching for something and you can't find it? You just get irritated and you get mad. I don't answer my phone or nothing because when I'm mad, I'm going off of whoever calls. Like I'm snapping on you because why you calling me right now? Why I feel like this? Don't call my phone while I'm mad. I know you don't know I'm mad, but you don't know I'm mad. Like you should have felt me being mad. Why you calling my phone right now? I'm frustrated. So I was finna cancel. I ain't gonna lie. But I had to calm myself down and be like, look, just take your time and look, Dominique. Yeah, why the thing was on my bed the whole time? I'm looking through closets, everything. It was on my bed the whole time. So you know what I learned? Take a break, count to 10, revamp, think, do it again. You gonna get it that time. That's what I had to do. That was a life lesson right there. Cause baby, when I say I was so glad that nobody called my phone, cause you was finna get it. Whoever called, you was finna get it. But what's sin I want more? I just got on this nice jean jacket and a black dress. It's a high at the top, but I put on my jacket so you can't tell. Shh, don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody. So what scent I want to wear? What I want to smell like? We want to smell like money. We want to smell like money. Cute little hair did. I can't wait to go get some new glasses because these, if you know, you know what happened to my favorite pair. You know, you know. I need an anklet. Here go one right here. Let me put on this anklet. Hold on, y'all. Let me put this on real quick. Let me lift this up because I don't like my head being cut off. So recently, if you watched my clean video, you already saw how my perfumes was coming. I need some more. So I'm finna mix Miss Dior. I'm getting this little scent up out of here. Y'all ain't talking about that. Finna mix Miss Dior with some Jimmy Choo. And we're gonna see how this combination works. So hey. Oh, that's what was that combination you had on? What was that combination you had on? Destin had on a fat combo, but I don't think I.
Givenchy Irresistible Me. And oh, was it YSL Libre or?
Oh, I could have mixed it because I do got it.
Yeah, you do got that one. It's right here.
Give me that YSL. I ain't gonna mix. Give me the.
I want to say it was YSL Libre and Givenchy Irresistible Me.
This the Jimmy.
I know it was this for sure, but I don't remember if it was the Jimmy. I think it was that. It was that. It was them two. It was them two.
Girl, it's a little bit left in here. I'm getting my fragrance out. I don't throw away my bottles. I'm getting every squirt. Every squirt up out of here. Takes a minute, but you gonna get it out. See? Yeah, I see that. You heard
you putting it on your jacket though, T?
I don't put it on my skin no more because it breaks me out. My skin too. I put it behind my ear. My skin breaks out bad for some reason now.
Yeah, I hate when
it just got in my mouth. At least you know my breath won't be stinking. Huh?
You should have had to come in this way. This is the beauty of the room. You choosing to show
What's wrong with? She talking about she wanted me to record from y'all. From this room.
They look good. Oh, you out of space, T.
It's still going right now.
Oh, I see why you had it that way too. That light.
The light was hitting me. My TV on the floor because if you know, you know. If you watch my Instagram, you know. You know. We ain't even finna get in that because I'm gonna get mad and I'm gonna go ramshack some stuff. So if you follow me, you know. If y'all follow my Instagram, you need to follow because we just gonna leave that alone because baby, I want to go wreck some. And I'm trying to be a new Dominique. I ain't even trying to go put hands. What's sexy red? I put them paws to your teeth. I ain't even trying to do that. I ain't even trying to do that because that's what I wanted to do. But I'm finna head out, y'all. I'm taking y'all with me. But it's only gonna be focused on me. This a solo trip. Hint, hint. Solo. Yeah. Bye. Okay, y'all. Oh, hold on. I need some lip chap. When I say I've been going through it all morning. Through it. I couldn't find what I wanted to wear. And you know you get frustrated. You get to sweating. So I'm like, okay, do I need to take another shot? Oh, did I put on deodorant? Hold on. Did I put on some deodorant while I'm playing? Let me smell my armpits. Why I just look at it though? Like, you can't see much, Dominique. Either you must or you ain't. Okay, yeah. So when you going through it, I'm getting to the point where forget everybody. I ain't going nowhere. I promise. I wasn't finna go nowhere. I didn't care how nobody feel. I don't care. If somebody would have called my phone, they would get gone off phone. I'm that type of person when I'm mad. I know this is not right. I don't care. Argue with your mama, don't argue with me. Whoever called my phone at that moment, don't let me just been I got mad. Like a heated mad. Oh, you finna get gone off phone. Cause if you know me, why you don't feel me mad? So you should know, ooh, don't call Dominique right now, she mad. Like, I know that ain't right, but that's just who I am. Take it or leave it, and I don't care. Y'all know what's going on? We gotta do that out. What you say? What you know about me? Big G-L-O-N-G-L-E. No, A-T-E. Hey, it's a Friday night. My nigga ain't at home. Cause I don't drink alone. Happy Halloween! It is the last day of October. And y'all already know it be really desperate. Who am I, bro? It be really desperate ideas. She be wanting to go all out. So I guess be really hip with her. But she doing the candy. I'm gonna show y'all right quick.
We got the Snickers variety pack right here. So all the different options that Snickers sells. And then this was a variety pack that had like Skittles, M&M's, Starburst. I never saw these. You get one big little gummy like this, Lifesaver gummy. Then we got another bag of the Laffy Taffies, Jolly Ranchers, Smarties, both for the M&M packs, Twix Milky Ways. So I'm basically gonna, where our bags from Dollar Tree at? We got some bags from Dollar Tree. Then I got these other bags. Your costume gotta be on point though for you to get these. So we got 12 of the popcorn balls that's also gonna go in there. There go the bags. I got these cute bags from Dollar Tree.
Let her cook. Let her cook. If y'all don't watch Love, that is not Love is Blind. Hello. This right here, Dominique LaShae put you on. You need to go watch it right now. Your outfit gotta be on fire to get this bag right here. Or you just gonna get this bag right there. It's like candy. Go subscribe to All of Destiny. Cause she filming.
Dominique LaShae.
Period. But I'm about to get in the kitchen. Destiny finna start on it. I'm gonna come help her after I finish with all the food. Cause we be wanting something to eat while we passing out candy. So Destiny is gonna do the tuna fish. She have the eggs boiling. I'm making Rotel. I got my block of cheese in there.
And then we
So you're gonna put 2 cans of Rotel. With my Rotel, comment down below right now if you use ground beef or sausage. That's gonna tell me everything I know about a person right there. That one specific thing gonna tell me what I need to know about you. With me, I'm a sausage person. Sausage makes Rotel so much better. I don't care what you say. Argue with your mama, don't argue with me. Sausage make it so much better. When people make it with ground beef, I don't want it. I don't want it. Sausage is already seasoned. It give it extra like that. Oh, this is fire Rotel. This it here. This it. And I like the off-brand sausage. I don't like the Williams sausage because it don't have grease. I need all that in the Rotel. I'm not putting the grease in the Rotel, but I like my sausage to cook in the grease because it just give it extra flavor, which gonna make the Rotel so good. So if you cook your Rotel with ground beef, switch to sausage. I promise you ain't gonna go back. I promise. But I'm about to cook this, and I'm not turning my crock pot on. I'm just trying to go and get everything cooked and put in the crock pot. I'm gonna turn it on about 5. Okay, I got this on low for right now, and then I'm gonna turn it up like the closer it gets. So I'm gonna put a little milk.
just what you've been. I was blind, I was in it, I was bad.
I hope that, like you see.
It's what I think right now. There's so much going on in my head right now that I'm just ready to see her.
Turn up the lights in here, baby. Extra bright, I want y'all to see this. Turn up the lights in here, baby. You know what I mean. Want you to see everything. Want you to see all the light. Yeah. So, unfortunately, I don't even want to say this. I don't want to say this because it's just all bad. It's just all bad. It's just all bad. But I gotta go to the health department. Let me stop playing. I do gotta go to the health department, but I ain't going for that. I'm finna go get a TB screening. Make sure I ain't got tuberculosis, which I ain't got. But it's like, why I gotta go to the health department to do that? Like, why y'all couldn't send me somewhere else? Why the health department just give me nasty vibes? And I'm the only one think like that. Like, I told my sister, babe, I need a ski mask. I'm finna go stop and get a ski mask. And don't even call my name. Don't be Dominique. Don't call my name, baby. Point to me. My name Earl. I'm putting Earl on the page. I don't know, he wants you to say my name and this shit. But yes, I know the health department do more than, you know, that type of stuff. But still, like, am I the only one that feel like that? Tell me. But that's what I'm finna go do. And then I'm finna go wash my car. I'm taking y'all with me. At Chili's, I'm so sorry, y'all. I didn't feel nothing. I'm sorry. I'ma do better. But I gotta be there at 2:40. It's 2:04. So come with me. Don't come with me. Bye. Okay, y'all. So I just left the health department. And I don't care what nobody say. I just don't like going there. I don't care how childish it might sound. I don't care. I just don't like going. I'm sorry. I don't like nothing about this place. Nothing. I don't like touching handles, touching nothing. Feel how you want to feel. Argue with your mama, don't argue with me. I just feel, when I go there. So now I'm finna go drop this paper off, and then I'm finna go to the car wash the back of my car out and all that. Y'all, it feels so good outside. Like, this a beautiful day, I must say. This one of them days where you walk in the park and feed the ducks. So why is there so much traffic? I did not do my edges because I'm known for my edges, and baby, I want to finna be known in no health department. I'm sorry. I was not finna be known up in there. There's one place I don't want to be known in. Period. Point blank. But bye. I just made it to the car wash. I don't know about y'all, but a clean car in a clean house made me so happy. So happy. But y'all already know how we do it. We just finna get into it. So, yo, keep watching.
Yeah. This the real one, baby. I'm telling you. Shot-town stand up.
I was trying to get y'all some angles, but it was hard because them little 2 minutes been flying by, and I wasn't finna keep putting no 125 in there. So, yeah, I'm finna wash it, and we out of here.
She's so self-conscious. She has no idea what she's doing in college. That major that she majored in don't make no money, but she won't drop out. Her parents will look at her funny. Now, tell me that ain't insecure. The concept of school seems so secure. Sophomore, 3 girls ain't picked a career. She like, fuck it, I'll just stay down her and do it. Cause that's enough money to buy her a few pairs of new ears. Cause her baby daddy don't really care. She's so precious with the peer pressure. Couldn't afford a car, so
I gotta push y'all up. My camera getting wet.
Now she look like Eve, and she be dealing with some issues that you can't believe. Single black female addicted to retail.
Hey, we outside tonight. We got D-side outside. We got all the dress outside. Y'all already know how we come.
I ain't gonna let niggas down.
Oh God.
I'm finna tell you.
I got a feeling they gonna say something about my camera. So hold on, y'all. We gotta give it to me.
She trying to be on the news in this moment.
That might say that trying to be on the news. You wanna say hey? Say hey to the
Say
world. Hold on, y'all.
You looking A1 in that video there.
Rose said she wanted to go in. I think we're a little too early, cause little. I know the words. I think that you should let it go. Stop running. Show me like you used to. If I walk away, just let me leave. I know you want it. I'm hesitating for your eyes to see. I'll make you feel insane. I'm with
can't see myself without you.
That's a good target. Okay, y'all, so why it look like this? I don't know. Okay, that's cool. We just made it home. But y'all, when I say the club was so lit, baby, we turned up. Happy birthday again to Lil Steve. Yo, South Memphis Vest was in the building, but I'm tired. We turned up. I just took my shower, washing my face. If you don't take a bath after you come from the club, you nasty. Never lay in your bed dirty, because what you doing? Don't lay in your bed dirty. But we turned up, y'all. We turned up. I love going out and being with my family, being with people I grew up with, because it's always a nice time. You don't have to worry about no drama, no nothing. It's always a nice time, and I love it. But we started off at the weekend, and then we ended up at this place called Bougie Bistro. We didn't stay at Bougie Bistro long because it was Lil Steve's birthday, and he tapped out. Like, baby, one drink he had, I don't even think he had a drink. I think he had like half a drink, and he ended up with his head in the toilet. So y'all already know he had a good birthday, because baby, if you don't end up laying next to the toilet, baby, you ain't even turn up for real. So I'm finna hold up where I wash this off when I get off here. And yeah, I'm finna go to bed because I'm tired, because we turned up South Memphis in the building. We out.